Hey guys, if you are a content creator on YouTube, so in today's video I'm gonna show you some invaluable websites you can rely on to take your YouTube business to the next level. Now let's get started. And the first website today is TubeOptimize.com. Here you can find amazing free tools to help you more to optimize YouTube videos. So you can find different tools like keyword tool, tag generator, title generator, rank checker, and so on. So for example, if we try something like title generator, here you can find two different options. Either you can create your YouTube title based on AI powered YouTube title, or trend based YouTube title generator. So for example, if I try something like the best low budget recipe for losing weight, so I can try this one, trend based YouTube title generator, and of course I just favor this one because it gives you the most attractive and the most successful titles based on your keywords and your topic. So I just select the target language like English, and tone of voice I select casual, and gives me 5 results. So generate titles, and just in few seconds here you can find the best successful and best performing titles based on your topic, like delicious, cheap, and the ultimate weight loss recipe under $10, and so on and so forth. So all you have to do, just you can copy this title if you like it, and just you can customize it a little bit to make it newer and more unique, and so forth. Or you can just depend on this AI generation. So you can click over this one again and try the same title and same topic and generate titles, and then you can find different AI generated titles as you see, like healthy eating on a dime, best low budget recipes for weight loss, and the like. And this one is title generator. So if you try something else like tag generator or keyword tool, you can find two different options: YouTube keyword generator, or YouTube question explorer, or YouTube research explorer. So I can try something else like that. It gives you the best keywords based on your topic, like yoga for pregnant women, first trimester, and so on and so forth, with their word count. So you can export all these keywords to use in your title, descriptions, and your tags alike. Perfect. And of course you can find different tools out there, more tools like description generator, hashtag ones, thumbnail customizer, or video comparator. So for example, if I try this one, video comparator, you can make a comparison, a simple comparison between two videos regarding all these statistics like likes, comments, description, and so on. So for example, if I take an example, just you can go to YouTube and just I search for MMA, and I can take this one quickly, copy link address, and head over back to your tool and insert here in this URL number 1, paste, and you grab another video like this one quickly, copy link address, and here in the place number 2, and compare two videos. As you see, a simple comparison between two different videos, and the channel name, video title, views, likes so far, comments, publish date, thumbnail, it's default, or in this default as well, the category, description, as you see. So you can compare two different videos head to head, as you see. This is the first website in today's video, that is TubeOptimize.com. And for sure you can find down below in the description box in the first comment a huge list of the best 150 tools and websites for any content creator and YouTuber. And you can also find down below in the description box in the first comment the big list of creators vibes, a big bundle of the best animated backgrounds that you can use in your social media videos and YouTube videos alike, plus big bundle of over 500 sound effects, plus 5 long videos of funny memes and situational memes to insert a humor sense to your videos to make it more entertaining and more engaging. And the bundle contains also the most effective 300 hooks that you can use in the beginning of your videos to grab more attention for your audience and your viewers, and much more. You can find this bundle down below in the description box and the first comment. So hurry up to grab this bundle because it's time limited. Anyway, just we can move on to the second website in today's video, that is Intendi.com. Here, this beautiful website and this tool specialized to create a subscribe link from any channel you want. Just simply you can go to any channel like this one, UFC, copy this link of this channel, copy and go to Intendi. Okay, paste and generate a subscribe link. Here you go. Copy this link and insert it in your video description because it's a call to action to make your audience subscribe to your channel. Of course, you can see this link live down below in the description box to subscribe to my channel. And next, quickly, that is AIFreePox.com, one of the most recent AI websites to create your content for free. And of course, I just talked about this amazing website in a previous video. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. Anyway, regarding YouTube business, so all you need to do, just you can search for, and here you can find many tools regarding YouTube, or you can simply go to social media tools here, and then you can go to these tags where you can find YouTube category. So click over this one. Some spectacular tools regarding YouTube hooks, title generator, hashtag, script generator, intro, outline, and much more. So you can try this amazing tool for free. And the next tool, quickly, that is SEO Studio.tools. Here you can find this beautiful website packed with amazing tools regarding SEO, marketing, and for sure YouTube business. Here you can find some unique tools like YouTube hashtag extractor, title length checker, hashtag generators, YouTube statistics and banner downloader, logo downloader, region restriction checker, YouTube video title capitalizer, and YouTube comment picker, and so on. So for example, you can use amazing tool to get some statistics about any video or any YouTube channel as you like, and of course it's completely for free. So you have time to play around and try all these tools as you like. And the next tool, quickly, that is TubeAtlas.com YouTube description generator /index.html. Here you can generate high quality and perfect YouTube descriptions for free. Either you can go to this generator section. Here you can insert your topic as you want using these done for you templates like this one emoji. So I can select anyone like this one quickly, and it will be added to your sentence as you see. So for sure you can write anything you want as you see, and walking through all these parts of YouTube description, like here insert the main topics of your video and passing through timestamps as you see, using the emoji if you like, about the channel with your subscribe link, recommended videos are relevant to your topic, our products, and so on and so forth. Then if you get all these parts or these sections, so you can click over this one, generate description as you see. Then you can copy to your description box in your YouTube video, or you can actually find this section that is templates, done for you templates that make it easier for you to create your YouTube description. Template 1, 2, 10, and so on and so forth. And there you can find amazing section that is hashtags. So firstly, just you can insert here main keywords and select your target country. Then you can generate amazing hashtags and perfect for your YouTube videos to increase your views and subscribers. This amazing tool belongs to TubeAtlas, the best YouTube researcher tools out there. And the next tool, quickly, that is thumbnailchecker.com. As its name suggests, here you can check the attractiveness of YouTube thumbnails and to know how awesome your YouTube thumbnail is among different YouTube videos. So here you can select one of these options, insert only one YouTube thumbnail or 2, 3, 4, and so on. So here insert your YouTube video like this one quickly. Then click over this one and check your thumbnail. And here you can find your thumbnail would be live on YouTube to compare with different videos on the home feed as you see. and you can try it in different devices like for tablet and for phones and so on. And to know the best tools for YouTube thumbnails, you can find this link down below in the description box and the first comment. The next tool quickly, that is viewstats.com. It's an alternative to Social Blade to know any statistics about any YouTube video you like. So here you can insert your YouTube channel, like I will pick one of these random ones like Max, and it grabs for you different information about your channel as you like. Just don't forget to check out the entire list of YouTube tools down below in the description box in the first comment. They grab the entire bundle of creator vibes as you like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and see you in the next video.